Hi folks, John Knutson here with Knutson Consulting. Just want to show you an option that we have with our desktop in Mac OS X. As you can see, I have nothing on my desktop. It's kind of how I like to keep things. But some people like to have the key core files of their computer displayed on the machine, and this would be the hard drive. In addition, you can have external hard drives displayed as well, and they would be on the top right hand corner just by default. It's a quick way to kind of jump to those places so that you can transfer files or grab files that are off of those externals without having to dig through the Finder window to do that. And I'm going to show you how to do this. The first step is to click on the desktop because, as you see, I was using Evernote earlier today, and I just want to click on the desktop to be sure that I'm in the Finder window. And I'll click on the name Finder and click on Preferences, and that will open up the Finder Preference window. And here we have our options to show items on the desktop: servers, CDs, DVDs, external drives or external disks, and the hard drive or the hard disk. And those are the two options I want right now. Now I apologize for the cursor being off. It's part of the recording program. It's a glitch in the system, I believe. But we want to click on hard disks and external disks. And on the right hand side, then you're going to see those things appear. Now I have 4 hard drives total that are running. We're going to close out that small window and take a look here. This is the hard drive on the machine, and then these are the 3 externals that I have connected with a USB cord. And so that's great. We can jump to these folders or these hard drives whenever we need to. They're readily on the desktop. But one other additional piece of information I'd like to know is how much space is on each of these drives. And that's a very simple thing that we can do to activate that. Say you already have these drives displayed on your desktop, but you want to know at all times a running count of how much free space is available. Maybe your machine is slowing down and you don't know how much space is available. This is a quick way to find out what's left on the hard drive. And all we do is we right click on the desktop, anywhere on the desktop, and up will pop this small option screen. We click on View Options or Show View Options, and this button right here says Show Item Info, and that's the one we want to click, and that will give us all of our information about each of the drives. Now I can't see it all because there's a lot of information being shown, so I'm going to increase the grid spacing, and that's going to show all of the information now, how big the drives are and how much space is free. And now I know that if I need to transfer video, it would be better to put it on the black drive than the silver drive because there's a lot more space. Hope this has been helpful. Let me know, what other videos you guys would like to see of how to do things, and we'll try and get those up for you. Have a great one.